How to justify text in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to justify text in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign in into your Notion account. So justifying text in Notion, aligning it evenly on both the left and the right margins, isn't natively supported like Word or Google Docs, but with a few clever workarounds, you can simulate a justified look or improve text alignment for a cleaner, more professional layout. So go ahead and create a new template. And then from that template, go ahead and enter the command /columns. So you can also add a title for this page before you proceed with that. So enter /columns in here and then go ahead and select the amount of columns that you want to use. For example, you want to use 3 columns. So you can go ahead and enter the things that you need to enter in here and you'll be able to view your text with that justified look. So as you can see in here, this is how it looks like with that specific column added. And that is how you can basically justify text in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.